My name is William O'Connor and welcome to this short video on the brand Panadol. Panadol is a global brand, a household name that's produced right here in Ireland. We are going to critically analyse the business model for Panadol and make some recommendations for innovation.
The rest of the team for this project are Gerard Carr, William Higgins, Roisin Kelly, Joe Nadley, Mary Lally and Alan Henry. TSK is a science-led global healthcare company. It is broken into three distinct business sectors: pharmaceuticals, vaccines and consumer healthcare. Panadol is used in over 80 countries around the world. It offers relief from pain and also reduces fever. Panadol is available without prescription and is in the category of over-the-counter medicines. Paracetamol, the active ingredient in Panadol, works by blocking chemicals which send pain and inflammation signals to the brain. In this next section, we will use a number of analytical tools to critically analyse the business model for Panadol.
Evaluate the business model using the PESTLE analysis. The political factors are the global and national politicisation of healthcare, e-health programs, health directives and budgets. There's also the impact of long-term profitability and marketing strategies, and there's also the impact of Brexit. The economic factors are the costs, production, testing, patents, license, trade regulations and generic models, and there's the increasing growth in the Indian and Chinese markets. The social factors are the social media and influencer market, user choice, and the alternative health markets. The tech factors are e-health programs, predictive health technology, the online markets, and blockchain technology. The legal factors are the cost to bring product to market, liability, consumer protection, health legislation and reform. And the environmental factors are sustainability, air, water and carbon pollution, endangered species and the increasing trend towards impact investments.
Thanks, Mary. I was able to complete a SWOT analysis for Panadol, breaking my research of Panadol into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. The strengths I found was that Panadol has accepted global markets and is building trust with the Irish market by promoting that they are made here in Ireland. Panadol's parent company, GSK, has a strong global presence in pharmaceutical products and invested almost £4 billion in research and development and product innovation. There's also a variety of products available in different pack sizes to address the needs of different customers. Panadol's parent company, again, GSK, has a strong distribution network, with Panadol being sold in more than 80 countries around the world. The weaknesses we found was that the pack size legislation here in Ireland limits 12 tablets per packet and only one pack can be sold per customer per transaction. The global brands such as Advil, which is a product of Pfizer, aspirin by Bayer, Tylenol by Johnson & Johnson are Panadol's direct competitors. Opportunities that we found was that Panadol's parent company, GSK, reached an agreement with Pfizer in December of 2018, worth almost £10 billion to attain a leadership position in pain relief. This helps them promote the analgesic or pain-killing benefits of Panadol to target the pain-killing market. They can also better promote the brand awareness of Panadol using these. The threats then that we found was that Panadol is called one of the most frequently counterfeited medicines in the world. There's been a decline in Panadol sales in 2018 due to the impact of generic competition. There are stringent and various legal regulations in the different countries where Panadol is sold. Now Roisin will tell you.
The top 4 competitors of Panadol are Nurofen, Disprin, Anadin and of course generic paracetamol. The price range of the competitors range from €2 to €7, with generic products being priced around €1. Each of the competitors also have dedicated consumer helplines and are readily accessible over the counter, with different size and dosages available. In the UK alone, it is estimated that just under 6,300 tonnes of paracetamol is sold each year. That's 35 tonnes per million of population. That's 35 grams or 70 paracetamol tablets each every year. There was a survey involving over 1,000 people that was carried out by Panadol to coincide with Ask About Medicines Week, a campaign that aimed to encourage all of us to ask more questions about medicines as we get older. They found that approximately 200 million packs of paracetamol are sold without prescription in the UK every year. According to the Transparency Market Report, the global paracetamol market is expected to reach 1 billion by the end of 2022. So we feel that the market is quite competitive, but also there's quite a lot of growth there.
Panadol's motto is all patients suffering from pain and fever. Panadol is an 850 million brand. It's got 3.8 billion of a market share. It's the leading over-the-counter analgesic. 4 in 10 analgesic users purchase Panadol. It's ranked 71st in the group brand sales, and it's got an 82% market share of children's Panadol. A major selling point for Panadol is the three no's. It's no alcohol, no sugar, no aspirin, and it's recognised as a gold standard in pain relief and most trusted. It also has the 4 P's of Panadol as a promotion tool, and that is product, price, place, promotion. The products are tablets, capsules, caplets, gel caps and soluble. The place is all major sales channels. The price is a competitive price, and that is equal to the price per dose at a parity with its competitors. And then promotion is television, outdoor advertising and in-store displays.
Recommend 3 areas of innovation which have been informed by our critical analysis of the business model. The 3 areas are generic competitors, combating counterfeit drugs, and sustainable packaging. Panadol is losing market share to generic competitors who are offering the same drug at a significantly lower price point. We aim to redress this by proposing GSK launch a low-cost alternative. This would compete directly on price and allow GSK to gain a share of the generic market. Panadol is the most counterfeited drug in the world, and in response to this we suggest GSK adopt blockchain technology in its supply and distribution network in order to reassure customers that they are purchasing the genuine product. In response to the climate crisis, we encourage that Panadol should move to sustainable packaging solutions which will clearly differentiate them from low-cost generic competitors and help them further capitalise on their position in the market as a premium product. Together, these 3 innovations will help maintain and grow Panadol's dominant place in the market, but more importantly, add value for the customer.
In this short presentation, we critically analysed the Panadol business model. In order to do this, we used SWOT, PESTLE, competitor analysis and customer segmentation. We then identified 3 key innovations in their business model. That is, the production of a low-cost generic brand of paracetamol, the use of blockchain to combat counterfeiting, and the use of sustainable packaging. Thanks for listening.